Hello everyone, welcome to Electrical Fun channel. In this video, we're gonna set one switch and one socket open surface box wiring. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Is this your first time watching our channel? Please like, share and subscribe now. First of all, take 3 modular open surface box. So this product from Hi-Fi company. This type of open surface box normally used in internal surface such as household and restaurants etc. In this video I will show how wiring process of the equipment. So please watch until the end so you can understand. Now let's move on to next one. Listen carefully before starting this setup. Use safety equipment. And also check the MCB and circuit breakers to prevent short circuit. We are using the modular socket, so this product from Hi-Fi company, and a 5 amp switch, so this product also from Hi-Fi company. Now we are going to assemble those parts. As per the plugging, we used 6 amps 3-pin plug. And the wiring, we used 1.5 wire, so red for main line and blue for neutral and green for earthing. So let's start the wiring process. So let me explain one thing. The importance of modular switch and socket. It is very easy to assemble without screw attachment and it is easy to obtain. So just you can see I attached the socket. It's simple compared to the old type. Now the switch and socket are attached to the open surface box. Now take a piece of wire. So in order to start the wiring process. So we already measured how much wire is required beforehand. Remember that the left side of the socket always face and right side for neutral and at the last top is earthing. But when it comes to the open side it's different. This one on right is face and this one on left is neutral. Only these 2 points most of all get confused. Make sure to remember that. Now move on to the wiring. The upper point of the switch to the right side of the pin with a piece of wire. Now I made one connection to the line, switch to socket. If you get confused, the symbol are written onto it, the L for line and N for neutral and E for earthing. Now I will take another wire, it's a blue color, it doesn't matter what color we choose, so we can take black color also. Now I will use green for earthing. Take another part of the open surface box. We made outlet of wire in here. We drilled this part. You can use another method also. It depends on your location where you will use it. Now I will twist the wire in order to push through the hole. Now I will reattach the wire. Now I will bind the wire to make sure it stays still and tight inside the box. Now I will divide the wire. First of all, I will loosen this screw. Now I will start the wiring process. I will connect this red wire to lower pin of this switch. Next, green wire. Twist the copper strands properly. Fix the green wire to the top pin of the socket. Then next is blue wire to the left side pin. Now I finished the wiring connection inside the open surface box, and also make sure the screws are tightly fixed. I will tighten the wire so it can fit properly. Check the connection before closing the box. Finally, I finished the assembling the open surface box, so we can fix this box on wall or table, etc. We can use it as extension box also. I am using the insulation tape to bind the wire so it won't spread around. Now as per the finishing this setup, the 3-pin top plug is required. I will cut the wire equally. And see, now I skinned all 3 wires. Now I will remove the screws of 3-pin top. The reason behind we are using 3-pin top, you can connect directly if you want, but it is risky, that's why we are using 3-pin top. Top side is earthing, it's a green wire, and the right side is face, it's red wire, and the left side is neutral, it's a blue wire. First of all, I will start with the red wire. After attaching the red wire, tight its screw so that it won't shake or loose. Now the next is blue wire for neutral. Next is green wire for earthing. The 3-pin top has provided with the rubber grip so the wire will stay still. So fix it tightly. So this part is rubber grip. It is important for 3-pin top. Now I will close the cap of 3-pin top. Now I will add the screw properly. It will be over soon. Then we can test it so it will work or not. Now it is ready to use. I will test it by using the bulb. It's 100 watts tungsten bulb. I will plug it to the power supply. Now I will on the switch so it works or not. Let's check it out. So it's working, you can see. That's all for this video. The Hindi version of this video, it is in description. If you want this kind of informative video, check it out in our channel. So please like, share and subscribe the Electrical Fun channel. See you all in our next video. Thanks for watching.